Okay, real talk. How many of you actually feel like a secret agent when you ride with a smart helmet? Like, come on, talking hands-free, getting navigation right in your visor? It's basically Batman tech for bikers. But here's the problem. Not all smart helmets are created equal. Some are clunky, some overpriced, and some, well, they just look like a sci-fi prop. So today, we're breaking down the 5 best smart motorcycle helmets. No fluff, just the real deal. Oh, and hey, I'm James, and if you're into bikes and tech, you're in the right place. All the product link in the description. I have a Amazon and AliExpress $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit promowelt.com. So grab a snack, or like your cat. Let's go. Number 1. Livall MC1 Pro Motorcycle Helmet. So this Livall MC1 Pro helmet, yeah, it's not just a helmet. It's kind of like a tech upgrade for your head. It's got Bluetooth, so you can take calls, listen to music, even use intercom or walkie-talkie with other riders. Super handy if you ride in groups, or just don't want to pull over every 5 minutes to check your phone. The wildest part, though? SOS crash detection. If you go down hard, hopefully never, it auto-sends your GPS location to your emergency contact. That alone could literally save your life. There's also a built-in LED taillight, so you're more visible at night. And the thing's made of fiberglass, strong but not heavy. Speakers? Decent. You can hear your music and GPS pretty clear, even with some wind. Battery lasts around 7-8 hours, which is solid for longer rides. Now, small downside. The buttons are kinda meh. Takes a minute to get used to them. And the app? It works, but feels a bit clunky sometimes. Still, it makes me feel safer, smarter, like there's tech watching my back. And for the price, under $500, it's honestly kind of a steal. Want to check it out? Links in the description. Stay safe and ride smart. Number 2. Full-face motorcycle helmet. I've been riding with this ILM Bluetooth full-face helmet, and it kinda surprised me. Like, for the price, you get a lot. Bluetooth's built in, I can take calls, listen to music, GPS, hands-free. It actually connects fast. Intercom works too. Tested it with a buddy up to like 900-ish feet. Still clear. Protection-wise, it's full face, DOT approved, feels safe, not too heavy. And the visor? Anti-fog and anti-scratch. Love that. Battery lasts around 8 hours talk time. I charge it every couple of days. No big deal. Downsides? Buttons take some getting used to. And yeah, it's Bluetooth 3.0, not the newest. But honestly, for this price, it's kind of a steal. If you want to check it out, links down below. Stay safe. Always wear your helmet. Number 3. Hacks Obsidian Full-Face Dual Visor Adult Motorcycle Helmet. Hey, so I've been riding with the Hacks Obsidian full-face helmet for a bit now, and yeah, didn't expect it to be this good. It's got this dual visor setup, like just flip down the sun visor when the glare hits. Easy, no extra stuff. The shell? Solid. DOT approved. Not too heavy either. Feels safe. Inside padding? Kinda plush, not gonna lie, and you can wash it. Huge win. Ventilation's decent. Keeps me cool unless it's like super hot out. And the design? Matte black. Kinda aggressive. Looks clean. Only downside? Little wind noise at higher speeds, and visor clicks could be smoother. But honestly, nothing major. For the price, it punches way above. Links below if you want to check it out. Stay safe out there. Ride smart. Always gear up. Number 4. Sena MO Pro GWS-01 Momentum Pro. It's the Sena Momentum Pro. This thing, it's not just a helmet. It's like a gadget for your head. So, full face? Check. Looks clean, sleek, kinda futuristic, honestly. But here's where it gets wild. Built-in 4K camera. Yeah, a legit camera, right in the chin bar. No GoPro, no mounts, just press and record. And the sound? Whew, it's got Bluetooth, so music, calls, GPS, straight in your ears. Speakers and mic are already inside. You just pair it up and ride. Oh, and intercom, up to like 8 riders. Group chat vibes while you're cruising. Way less yelling. Fits snug, comfy. Padding's nice. Ventilation could be a little better, but not a deal breaker. And battery? you'll get hours, more than enough for most rides. Now, yeah, it ain't cheap, but if you're into tech, motovlogging, or just, riding smarter, it's kinda worth every dollar. Anyway, links below if you want to check it out. Ride safe, gear up, and record your ride maybe.
Number 5. Hacks Obsidian Full-Face Dual Visor Adult Motorcycle Helmet. Let me talk about this helmet I've been using lately. It's called the Hacks Obsidian, and honestly, it surprised me. Like, I wasn't expecting that much for the price, but here we are. So first off, yeah, it's a full-face helmet, super protective. DOT approved, you feel safe in it. Solid build, doesn't feel flimsy at all. But here's what I really liked. It's got dual visors, like the outer clear one, and then that inner drop-down sun visor. So if you're riding during the day, boom, just flip it down. No need for sunglasses. Ventilation? Pretty decent. Not the best I've ever felt, but gets the job done. Rode with it in the heat and didn't feel like my head was in an oven, so thumbs up. And design? Yo, it looks dope. Sleek, kind of aggressive, but not too flashy. You pull up wearing this and people look. Couple little things though. The visor mechanism? Bit stiff at first, but it gets smoother with use. And yeah, it runs a tad snug, so if you're between sizes, maybe size up. Overall, for the price, it's kind of a steal. If you just want a good-looking, comfortable, and safe helmet without dropping $500, this is solid. Anyway, I dropped the link below if you want to check it out. Ride safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.